the f is that runoff? Tire wall everywhere. You gotta be f***ing kidding me, yo, Utah. Just be a f***ing smart track.
Where are we? We're at Utah, UMC. First time going to the East. I've never done the East before. So let's learn the track. I'm riding Emirates, little battered and bruised from AFM. I don't know if you've seen the off-track incident. Yeah. So you gotta make sure he's working well.
Hey, okay, if you didn't hear me earlier, this is Marcel Irnie, your host of World's Best Motorcycles. Riding Emirates here, missing a tail, I don't have a spare tail. And yeah, I just replaced a couple parts and see what's going on with Emirates here. Hopefully the bike runs true and straight and feels good. We will learn soon enough. Alright, let's get our gloves on and go cruise over. This is UMC East. Now I've raced the West in the Superbike shootout, and then the last time I was here as well with the UMC or Utah Superbike Association. I've done the full track, of course, you know, back in the day with Weira and Utah. But never done the east side. So like half the track will be new to me. Half of it I would have seen before. Rocket, these are the old rider training tires. Just it's cold out. Like we got 30, 25, you know, it's freaking, oh, ow. Oh, I hit the, that's definitely just cool this morning. Weird about the tail. Yeah, warm up the suspension and everything. Whoa! I did my steering lock doesn't turn at all. Steering stabilizer seems a little stiff. Let's loosen that one turn for this trip. Let's try that. Oh, come back here, glove. These are my WBM gloves. See, the ABS is kicking in. There we go.
We got 3 riders that are runners. We're going to go ahead and release you anyway. Just try not to scare them too bad.
Okay, just let me know. Ready to go? All right, here we go. And the gearing, of course, is the same. And how we get on this crazy turn. Old track.
satisfaction. Last time I threw here was bad news. Going to America. Right there. Ding! Hit the curbing.
Ovier definitely catching his teammate Hayes now. The pair of them pulling away now from the others. No! Big off! Whoa! Dust flying up there. That was fast. It looks like, yeah, it is. Marcel Irnie on the BMW qualified 16, but he's okay.
Yeah, that was
The curbing, yeah.
And then it just, the bike got air, and then it just kept going, and then eventually low-sided hard, fast. The bike was overheating the whole time on the track too. It was running at 111, and I didn't have any power. I was like not making any ground on anybody on the straightaway, even in the draft. I don't know why it was running that hotter now than ever before at 111. I'm like, why is the power gone? It all just went bad from the bad start with the launch control to corner 1 and 2, and then I tried to made a few positions back, and then gas tank, the throttle, the dash, it's all fucked.
I hit the curbing because I was following Oleg really closely, and I couldn't see the curbing, and just wasn't in the right zone. Trying to adjust my traction. Need to stretch. There's turn 1. Why, what? There's a wall? You gotta be fucking kidding me. Second gear. There's shrubs in the runoff. It on a 15 front. What the fuck is that runoff? Tire wall everywhere. You gotta be fucking kidding me, yo, Utah. This be a fucking smart track.
Oh, race fuel. Bump. Zero. Rear, the bike is jumping. The rear suspension's hopping. Chicky here. Her hair, she got some pink in it.